So again, the back door aperture is all nice and clean, which is unusual again for a 4-door. Really nice and tidy. Obviously where the back wing meets the body, all nice and clean, no bubbling or anything. Back seats all in really tidy order. I'd use the P word, but you know I hate it, so it's just nicely aged, we'll call it, rather than the P word. Back cards are all really good, and just done a bit of a new review with the headlining. Really nice clean car, as I keep saying, so I keep repeating myself. Pull start, 948cc A series engine. So she runs really well. Nice tick over, as you can hear. Pop the bonnet for you. So engine bay is nice and clean. Painted out satin black, but there's no rust or rot anywhere. No bubbling, no nastiness. Again, all nice and tidy, nice and presentable. It's standard, other than a servo. It's got dynamo on, but we can fit alternator or any other upgrades that you were likely to want. Really, really, really nice car. Nice and tidy in the boot compartment. Really nice, clean, tidy. Watch the arm there. No frilly edges on the boot lid. Same, no nastiness on the inner wings at the back or the boot floor. Underside's all really good, no rust or rot. In keeping with the rest of it, nicely restored. Show quality car, really. You know, you can take it to any local show with a lot of pride, go out for drives in it. It certainly draws a lot of attention. Full details follow at www.westridingclassics.co.uk. As always, you can give us a call, Yorkshire Minor Centre, 042288121, or you can email us inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk. It's on at 10650, so I'm trying to keep it nice and affordable. So it's a bit of a bargain as well for the standard of the car. Comes with a 3-month warranty, 12 months MOT. We can deliver nationally or internationally. So give us a call, we'll look forward to hearing from you. Cheers guys.